Today, gay couples filed a federal lawsuit that aims to topple Ohio's constitutional ban on gay marriage. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh joins us live with the latest skirmish in the battle over marriage equality. Jeff.
Well, good evening. Earlier this month, as you probably remember, a federal judge in the courthouse behind me here said that Ohio had to recognize same-sex marriages from other states where they are allowed. That's currently on hold pending appeal. This next lawsuit filed by the same law firm to require Ohio itself to allow gay marriage in this state is the logical next step. Gary Goodman and Carl Reese Jr. met on Pride Night at Kings Island in 2001. Gary proposed in 2011, and the couple has been wanting to get married in their home state of Ohio for some time, and they say that some time should be now.
Even with everything you see in the news, the possibility of the Republican National Convention and so many other things that happen in Cincinnati, it being a battleground state when it comes to elections, we today have made it a battleground state for equal rights for gay and lesbian couples.
Goodman and Reese are among 6 same-sex couples suing to force the state to give them marriage licenses and to declare Ohio's ban on same-sex marriage unconstitutional.
Things have changed dramatically in Ohio since 2004 when the legislature enacted the ban and voters voted a constitutional amendment. I mean, it is a world of difference in the last 10 years.
These couples could have gone to another state but want to be married at home. They could also take a chance that the voters will repeal Ohio's same-sex ban. There is a petition drive in the works, but as one plaintiff said, should the voters have a say in your marriage? Goodman and Reese are planning a Christmas wedding. The reality of judicial appeals makes Christmas 2014 seem unlikely, but they say Christmas sometime soon is fine.
It's going to happen. Times are changing. It's the way it is. It's the future. It's the new generations are coming out. Eventually, it's going to happen, and we're going to be a part of it.
I asked Attorney Jennifer Branch if they had been judge shopping, if they were hoping to find a liberal Democratic judge or even a liberal Republican judge to rule on this, because it was a Democratic appointee, Tim Black, appointed by President Obama, who ruled the other ruling that Ohio must recognize same-sex marriages from other states. He said, no, these cases are rolled to whomever gets them, and the one who got it this time is a Republican appointee from George W. Bush, Michael Barrett. So whatever the judge rules, whoever the judge is, in either of these cases, they're going to be appealed to the 6th Circuit, which is based here in Cincinnati, and then they will either go to the U.S. Supreme Court or be consolidated with some other cases. More than likely, this is just one stop in a long ride. Live at the federal courthouse, Jeff Hirsh, Local 12 News.
You're not suggesting there might be politics in federal court, are you?
Everything is political if you look at it that way.
Yes, very well said. Thanks very much. Right. A spokesperson for Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine issued a statement saying the AG's office is prepared to defend the state's constitution and statutes regarding marriage. However, the issue is likely to be decided by the Court of Appeals, which has several similar cases before it.